than the Rocky Mountains. This is the captivating tale of Robert Smith, the maestro behind Vista Equity Partners. Robert's journey begins in as the landscape that surrounded him. Fun fact, as a mere 6-month-old, his mother carried him to the March on Washington, where Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his iconic "I Have a Dream" speech.
To join with you today in what will go down in history.
Now, that's what we call starting life on a high note. High school proved to be the proving ground for this future titan. Despite being told that an internship at Bell Labs was off limits to high schoolers, Robert's persistence paid off. Picture him dialing the phone every Monday for 5 months until a spot opened up. That summer, he wasn't sipping lemonade. He was developing reliability tests for semiconductors. Talk about turning challenges into opportunities. Robert ventured into the corporate world, from Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company to Air. Conducting the harmony of Silicon Valley's giants. It was during this time that Vista Equity Partners was conceived, an idea that would reshape the landscape of private equity. Fast forward. His upbringing in a predominantly African-American, middle-class neighborhood in East Denver laid the foundation for his future endeavor. In 2000, he founded Vista Equity Partners, a private equity and venture capital firm. Vista's magic touch turned it into the 4th largest enterprise software company by 2019, managing over $46 billion in funding. Fast forward to 2022, Vista Equity Partners boasts $86 billion in assets under management. Robert's prowess earned him extraordinaire. In 2014, he founded the Fund 2 extends to healthcare with initiatives like the Mount Sinai Robert F. Smith the education of Boko Haram girls to erasing the student loan debt of the 2019 Morehouse College graduating class, $34 million, he's rewriting the rules of philanthropy. In 2019, Robert became the first African American to sign the Giving Pledge, committing to contribute the majority of his wealth to philanthropic causes. In January 2022, he donated $10 million to Columbia Business School for a scholarship program. And in February 2022, his nonprofit, the Student Freedom Initiative, partnered with Prudential Financial to provide up to $1.8 million in micro grants to students of historically black colleges and universities, HBCUs. In April 2022, he launched the Mount Sinai Robert F. Smith mobile prostate cancer screening bus, bringing healthcare initiatives to Harlem, New York. And just recently, in May 2022, Cornell University announced a $15 million donation from Smith to provide financial aid to engineering students from historically underrepresented communities. But Robert Smith is not just about finance and philanthropy. He's a maestro of unity. In December 2022, he stood against racism and anti-Semitism, joining hands with Mayor Eric Adams, Reverends Al Sharpton and Conrad Tillard, Rabbi Shmuley Boteach, and Elisha Wiesel to host 15 Days of Light at Carnegie Hall. In the world of film and television, he's been nominated by Floyd Mayweather Jr. to serve as the executive producer of The GOAT, a series delving into Mayweather's life. The collaboration includes the talents of Deon Taylor, Roxanne Avant-Taylor, and Hidden Empire Films. In 2020, he found a spot in the Time 100, Time's list of the 100 most influential people in the world. The accolades keep pouring in, including the Distinguished Alumni Award from Cornell University, the Award of Excellence from the National Association of Investment Companies, and an honorary doctorate of international affairs from American University's School of International Service. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more.